Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Faye. I make polymer clay jewelry. I'll leave my Etsy page down below and my Instagram right here. And today we're going to learn how to make 3 kinds of polymer clay flowers. So for the first flower, you're going to want to roll out 5 equal sized pieces and then roll them out long ways so that they come out almost the shape of a petal, just like this. And you're going to want to do that to all of them. Then you're going to place them on your clay in a star shape. After that, you're going to grab a toothpick and poke each one down the middle. I don't know if you can see, so I'm going to do the last one in a close-up. That one, and poke it straight down the middle. Just like that. Then you're going to grab another small piece, roll it, and then you can place this one right in the center of your flower. Just like that. The next kind of flower you can make is a rose. So you're going to do the same thing and cut a bunch of equal sized pieces of clay and then roll it into a ball, and this time you're going to roll it flat. And then you're going to grab this tool, I have no idea what it's called, and wrap it around it. And you're going to end up with like a little taco. And then you're going to repeat this process around the taco you've already made on the opposite end. And you're just going to keep repeating that all around your rose until you've done it with all 6 petals. And to attach it to your piece, you can just grab some scissors, cut off the top, and place it right on your piece. I like to secure it by poking the base of it with a toothpick a couple of times, just to make sure it doesn't fall off. And now you've got a rose. The third kind of flower I see quite a bit is, I think, the easiest one. So you roll out a piece of clay, and place it on your piece however you like, and roll out a bunch of pieces of different colored clay, and then you can just place them around your piece. And then you can poke them with a toothpick and make more of those little coffee beans. And there you go, there's 3 kinds of flowers that you can make out of polymer clay with no molds necessary. So you can get really creative with these techniques. Here's a project in which I made a rose. I used it here as well. And here I used the little coffee bean flowers. I think they're so cute. Well, there you go. That was 3 kinds of flowers using polymer clay. Let me know down below if you've been able to try any of these techniques. Tag me in any of your projects, and I'll leave my Etsy page down below. See you next time. Bye.